Hi everyone, welcome to Sumazing. Today I will show you top 10 math hacks every student must know to solve faster in exams. So let's see. Hack number 1, multiply by 11. So here is one example, 32 multiply by 11. So in this, how we are going to multiply? We are just going to write down this number 32, that is 3 here and 2 here, leaving some space in middle, and we are going to add these two numbers, 3 plus 2, which is 5, and we are going to write this number in middle. So this is your answer. Let's have a look at one more example, 54 multiply by 11. So in this number 54, we are going to first write 54 like this separately, leaving some space in middle, and then we are going to add these two digits, that is 5 plus 4 is 9. So this is your answer. I hope you like this. Let's have a look at another hack, that is square numbers ending in 5. Let's look at this example, 25 square. So how do we find out 25 square? First we'll take the first digit, that is 2. The number which is coming after 2. So after 2, 3 comes. So we are going to multiply this 2 with 3. So 3 2s are 6. And we are going to just add 25 at the end. This 6, and since it is 5 at the end, so we are going to just put 25 like this. This is your final answer. Let's look at one more example, 45 square. So after 4, which number comes? 5. So 5 4s are 20, and then we have to just, this 20 we have to write down here like this, and then just put 25 at the end. So 2025 is your answer. I hope you like this. Now let's look at one more hack, that is percentage trick. Here is one example, find 10% of 250. So how to find out 10% of 250? We are just going to write down the number 250, and in this we are just going to put the decimal from right hand side to left hand side. We have to move just one number. This is how we are going to write down. So 10% of 250 is 25. Now let's have a look at one more example, that is find 5% of 160. Earlier it was 10%, now it is 5%. So how to solve this? First we are going to find out the 10% of 160. So there are two steps. 10% of 160 is equals to 16. Just now we saw, if it is 3-digit number, we are just going to put a decimal one step to the left hand side. So here if you put decimal here, so it will become 16. Now what we are going to do, the second step is, we are going to make half of this. We are going to make half of this, that is half of 16 is, half of 16 is equals to 8. So that means 5% of 160 is equals to 8. This is your answer. Now let's have a look at one more hack, that is multiply large number easily. So here is one example, 98 multiply by 97. So if we look at these two numbers, both are close to 100. So now when we subtract 98 minus 100, we will get minus 2. And now 97 minus 100, we will get minus 3. Now next step is to subtract this diagonally. That means 98 minus 3, and here diagonally 97 minus 2. So 98 minus 3 is 95, and 97 minus 2 is also 95. Now what we are going to do, we are going to multiply the negatives. Multiply the negatives. What is this multiply negatives? 2 into 3. These two are negative numbers. We are not going to use negatives, but we are going to just multiply these two. Okay, so 3 2s are 6. But here if we notice 6 is only one digit number, so we have to put 0 before that. So now your final answer for this 98 into 97 is 95, which is this, and 06, which is this. We are going to just write like this. So this is your final answer. Let's have a look at one more hack, that is divisibility rule. Now here are few divisibility rules given to you. Okay, so let's look at one by one. Divisibility, if the number is divisible by 2, it should end, the number should end in even number. So whenever we want to check any number which is divisible by 2, that number should end in even number. Divisible by 3. If the number is divisible by 3, if we want to check like this, then what we need to do? The digit add to multiple of 3. Okay. Next, divisible by 5 ends in 0 or 5, and divisible by 9, digits add to multiple of 9. Now let's have a look at one example, which is 729. We have to check whether 729 is divisible by 9 or not. So for this, what we are going to do is, we are going to just add this numbers, the digits in the number. 7 plus 2 plus 9. So 7 plus 2 plus 9 is what? 9 plus 2 is 11. 11 plus 7 is 18. Now we will check 1 plus 8 is equals to 9. And yes, this 18 is also divisible by 9, and if we add these two also, we will get 9. So yes, this number, which is 729, is divisible by 9, then it is yes. Let's have a look at one more hack, that is quick fractions to percentage. So now we want to convert the fraction into percentage. These are the quick percentages which you can find out during the exam. If we want to find out half of anything, we are just going to find out 50% of the whole. 3/4 means 75%, 1/4 means 25%, and 1/5 is 20%. Now let's see this hack. Multiply by 5 fast. Now here is one example, 48 multiplied by 5. Now instead of multiplying 48 multiplied by 5, just make the division of 48 by 2. Divide this 48 number by 2. So 48 divided by 2 is 24. So just write 24 here and put 1 0 at the end. This is your final answer. Next, let's have a look at one more example. 64 multiplied by 5. Again the same steps. 64 we are going to divide by 2. So 64 divided by 2 is what? 32. So write down 32 here and then just put 1 0 at the end. This is your answer. Now let's have a look at this hack, fast subtraction trick. Look at one example. 1000 minus 648. Now 648 is a 3-digit number, 1000 is 4-digit number. So let's have a look at this. We are going to subtract each digit from 9 except the last digit. Okay, last digit we are going to subtract from 10 except that, otherwise all the other digit we are going to subtract by 9. Okay, so now 9 minus 6, which is this, is 3. 9 minus 4 is 5, and 10 minus 8 is 2. So your final answer is 352. 9 minus 6 is this, 9 minus 4 is this, and 10 minus 8 is 2, like this. Let's have a look at one more hack, that is multiplication short trick. Look at this example, 12 multiplied by 15. So usually what we do, 12 multiplied by 15, we'll do like this, right? So now in this case, what we are going to do, we are going to follow 3 steps. First, we are going to multiply 1 multiplied by 1, which is this 1's place digit. 1 ones are 1. Okay. Then the second step is multiply this 1 by 5. So 5 ones are 5 plus 2 ones are 2. So cross multiply like this. So 5 plus 2 is 7. Now we'll check the third one, which is in ones place. Step number 3, 2 5s are 10. 2 multiplied by 5 is equals to 10. Now 10 is a 2-digit number, so we cannot write here 2-digit, right? So first we will write down only the ones place digit, which is 0, and this 1 we are going to add to this 7. So 1 plus 7 is 8. So your final answer is 180. So if you like this video till now, please subscribe to my channel, like and share with your friends. Let's have a look at the last hack, that is same tens digit multiplication hack. So here is one example, 42 multiplied by 48. Same tens digit means in tens place both the digits are same. So there is one rule for that. Same tens digit, which is 4 here in this example, and the second one is in ones place digit, which is 2 and here 8, the addition should come up to 10. Okay, so these two criteria should be fulfilled, then only we are going to use this hack. Okay, so now same tens digit, which is 4, so after 4 which number comes? 5. So we are going to multiply with 4 with 5, which is 20. And the second step is, here we are going to just find out whether these two number adds up to 10. Yes, then only we are going to use this. Now here we are going to multiply. 2 8s are 16. So your final answer is 2016. 20 from here and 16 from here. Now let's have a look at one more example. We are going to use this example. We are going to find out whether both the tens place digit are same. Yes, the second criteria is 1 and 9 adds up to 10. Okay, so yes, we are going to write down step 1. After 2 which number comes? 3. So 3 2s are 6. And step number 2, 1 multiplied by 9 is equals to 9. Now 9 is also a single digit number, so we are going to put 09. Okay, so your final answer for this is 609. I hope you all like this, and please do comment in the comment section below which hack is your favorite hack. Till then, stay amazing. We'll meet in the next video.